Hi, I'm Ed Davis, the president here at Sealoom, and I want to take just a minute to introduce you to Polyline, the most versatile vinyl ceiling tile in the business. To start, yeah, they're plastic, and that's a good thing. Polyline 2x2 and 2x4 ceiling panels are made from our Featherlight series 13 thousandths thick rigid vinyl, which makes them lighter, easier to clean, and more adaptable than any ceiling tile you've ever seen or felt before. Don't let their weight fool you. This thermoformed design, combined with the inherent strength of vinyl, makes these tiles rigid, durable, and incredibly easy to install and maintain. Class A fire rated, 100% recyclable, completely waterproof, Greenguard Gold Certified for indoor air quality, and made right here in the USA. These tiles bring the important features you want and need to any installation. Available in 9 designer colors and finishes, they're also pretty easy on the eyes. Installation couldn't be easier. Simply pop them into your standard 1-inch T-bar grid system. Most ceilings will have some less than full-size grid spaces. For those areas, simply cut your ceiling tiles to fit with scissors or snips. Polyline ceiling tiles also work well with recessed lighting. Just be sure to choose a fixture that mounts to your ceiling grid. If you have any questions or would like to see a free sample, please do not hesitate to give us a call. From the family room to the factory, basement to bistro, Polyline will get the job done with style. And remember, you belong under Sealoom.